Good morning. Kape-kape. Nagigising ko lang. Nanonood ako ng TV tapos horror. Nan mo. Natatakot ako. Ala. Guys, nakikinig ba kayo sa impeachment? Grabe no. Nakahiya si Matibag. Yung sinabi ng abogado, tinanong siya na kilala ba niyang signature, ganun, may signature na tinanong doon. Sabi niya, asawa niya, hindi niya kilala yung signature ng asawa niya. Grabe. Ano ba, matibag? Ano ka na? Matibag ka na. Grabe talaga yun. Doon talaga ako, grabe, hindi mo kilala, asawa mo yan. Ilang taon kayo nagsama, tapos hindi mo kilala yung signature niya. Paano yan? Diba, dyan mo na lang makikita ang taong sinungaling. Napakasinungaling talaga ni Matibag. Lalo na yung mga administrasyon vlogger. Yun, mga hampas lupa, patay gutom. Bakit? Bayaran kayo eh. Bayaran kayo ng mga Pilipino. Nagbabayad ng tax. Bayaran. Kaya hampas lupa, patay gutom kayo. Pira nyo yan. Pira natin lahat yan. Tapos bibigyan lang kayo ng magkano? Barya? Ha? Weh!
Your wife is one of the endorsers of this House resolution. Can you confirm that? There's a signature page also. This document is not numbered, but it appears that it's around page 19. Can you confirm if this is your wife's signature?
I think I have no authority to confirm the signature even if she is my wife.
So you can confirm the signature of your NBI agent, but not your wife?
It's appeared to be her signature, but I have not confronted with the document so that I can compare it.
At any rate, Your Honor, may we allow...
With the NBI, it's different. I testified earlier that it was presented to me, and I asked him if he signed it, and I'm familiar to his signature because he's always making submission to my office. In order to save time and the questioning of the defense counsel, I think he's going to the position if my wife endorses the article of impeachment so that we save time and it's on record. It's a matter of public notice. Yes, my wife is one of the endorsers of the impeachment.
Duly noted. Counsel, move on.